Alright, alright, we're gonna have an interesting day today. Probably I will speak a little bit low. I will increase the. Anyhow, so so today we are going to have a little bit of a choppy day, most probably. PPI news is out, and in PPI news we have where did it go? I closed it. Forex. PPI news jumped from. Alright, I have to put on silent. All right, so I have received email about a couple of stocks, including AMD, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Baba, and Lee, disregarding the gap that most of the stocks has. Lee is repair today. I'm setting Lee to I'm putting Lee for to be watched. Lee is already sitting on a weekly cam R5C. If it breaks, we are open to the next level, which will be 33. So how we look at it, we have $1.85 of ATR on daily, and we have $3 of between 389 to 33.97. So we can easily get there. It could be one of those days, and like, look at that, we can easily get there. If not, we're still good. All right. All right, so we have Baba, Apple. Apple be falling. S4, we are around S4. Even if it dips down, which I don't want it to dip down, it can dip down around 130, 20. It will be a huge move of the daily. Huge part of daily. We are stuck in the pre-market, and I want something that's near top of, look at that, like ExxonMobil, something that's around high of pre-market. ExxonMobil looks juicy. Amazon is too, now that they have delusion, they have diluted shares, delusion. It plays differently, right? I'm not so familiar with the stock, so I don't know how to trade it. That's why I'm not going to watch it now. At the moment, between 9 to 15 cents of spread. It will be open now. All right, so we need something for short. Coin Baba. What happened to coin anyhow yesterday? Oh, okay. Let's see if we have coin coming up. Or if it breaks down. No, even okay, coin will not be short for me today, even if it opens short. Something that's opening red: Apple, Amazon, AMD, Tesla. No. Baba, BA. ExxonMobil looks to be doing fine, and we open. This is not good at this level of resistance, and we are stuck in this. Let's see what happens when it gets out. Unless it closes above here, so this portion is nothing, I wouldn't be able to go in. Not wouldn't be able, I won't go in. Right? And at the moment I'm listening to Ash. It's a little bit loud, but it's alright. Let me reduce the this, so my voice will be a little bit louder. Baba, so everything looks long, but I'm not prepared for short. I mean, let me check now, right after the open. Scan. Alright, we have lots of gap up. Okay, full gap up, Oracle. Ooh, look at this. Not gonna touch this thing. Nah. Oracle COP. Okay, Lee coming in. It's getting scary with Lee. Lee opened 383. Okay, breaking pre-market high. All right, coin. Nope. Right, market be falling, and I cannot find anything that has. This is ridiculous. Don't tell me there's nothing with. SQ. All right, nope. Not gonna get in SQ. All right, Lee's coming in. The last minute of the candle. It looks good. We have S6 in front of us. I'm hoping that this opens here, start to take it up from there, and 50 cents of a $1.80 move for 1 minute. It's not that bad. I'm not liking this, but once that Baba comes in above pre-market high, then I will be looking at it. Is it? Yeah, it is. It's Lee and MU. Alright, we have the candle open. Now we'll see that if it wants to go, I can pull back down. Then if it takes from here, then it would be amazing. Alright. Alright, SQ. SQ open above otherwise, and then even though look at this thing, $2 in one candle. Although SQ moves around 6 a day, but $2, 1/3 of its ATR in one candle. Oh, damn! Some mistake happened. 126. I have to reduce my size on Lee. So is my size anyway? I don't care. Let's see how much of this we can get. It's $2 wolf. So Neo is coming in, and definitely will sit down here. Lee is going. So I forgot to check something. 7, 8. Alright, it's $100, one full hour. Alright, Neo coming in. Alright, so Neo 1 hour Neo would be up here. Let's see how much is that 1 hour here. Alright, we are reaching 1 hour, setting to break even. $15 of loss. Yeah. Alright, so Neo goes to break even. SPY still hasn't moved, right? If SPY goes, SPY pulls back up, but then these trades go to the moon. Moon the moon. We have Neo down here. Baba, I don't like Baba. The first candle was this, and now this. I don't want Baba. So Neo, I'm going to take 2% off. Alright, Neo out. That was dumb. The whole sky can fall now, but I will add into this later. If I add 100%, my stuff gonna sit down here. Once it breaks up there, once it breaks up here, then I will go in. This is a lost trade, I think. See, break even. All right. So we're closing half an hour. Obviously my stop would be here, but what if I have bought down here? It would be 30, it was 300 something. Yeah, such a pity. Let's see if it goes back up again. So it could be one of those days that the SPY gets a bounce at the LOD and then it becomes a runner for the rest of the day, or it starts to collapse from the top and then it goes to somewhere that no one can predict where. All right. Let's see if you're getting a bounce. I don't know. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but whatever that's gonna happen, I'm gonna just be watching it carefully and closely. I'm happy that it's falling now. I'm happy that it's falling now at the moment, so it gets a bounce and then it can easily start to push up. Alright, I see Indo. Sorry. So Indo is a massive runner today. I don't like to go long due to this, and then the fake out. Like they fake out everyone and then it's pulling up. Definitely it's gonna fall down now. Around here it's gonna fall back down to just fake everyone out. Yeah, this can easily get halted though. Stock trading. Not this one. This one. Alright, let's look for some stocks to short by VWAP. Something that is long. Down, VWAP. Let's go, baby. Scan on 5 minutes. Billy. Billy says it's long, but I don't believe it. I don't like this anymore. Maybe supposedly it was good for long, but not anymore. Devian is already a bad idea, is a bad thing. I say it's a bad thing. It's a false signal, can I say? But now I can look for stocks to short off of VWAP. KO, I don't know what KO. Yeah, this is much better. Let me see if the quality of the camera is good. Futu. No. FTX. FTX is holding the top. It looks good. Look at this. Actually, AMD would be a good short. If it pulls back in next 10 minutes, it comes up here, and 10 minutes as in because I want the candle not to be touching this, and then it touches and falls back down. As I said, I need 10 minutes, not one rip. I say I'm watching stuff. So let's have another look. Oracle. I have to close the app. Oracle here would be somewhere to look at. C'est possible. Da, 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 da. Pa, 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 da, pa, pa, pa. Na, 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 na. On the other hand, Qs look good. You know, Qs, they didn't do the funky one candle move. And let's take a look at NVDA, AMD, NVDA. I wouldn't be doing anything with NVDA anyway. Look at that. Alright, so that's the moment of the truth, very true. Nothing. Come on. I'm still optimistic about move to the upside on SPY. Yeah, this could be just one of those drop and then pull back up, like the same thing that happened on Lee. It's just a thing. SPY, I'm not gonna do anything about it. Look at this, it's just so funky. It's hugging view up and not letting it go. Did we get a second chance on Lee? Just a path, but definitely this gonna be the price I go in if SPY starts to pull up. Neo not. I'm not gonna go in Neo, although it's going in my direction. I'm not gonna do that. Look at Baba. Look how it's stuck. That's why I pick up a range. I don't do price, I pick a range, and that's why. Look at that, this was my range, pre-market to pre-market high to pre-market low, between weekly cams, and the values is still up there. We stuck down here. Look how many levels are down here. Let it go, then we make a decision of where it's gonna go, if it's a go or if it's not a go. Look at that. Now I got nothing to go long off of. Roku. Baba is coming in, but at what? No, it's too late, bruh. If the second one had the juice to just open up here and then break, yes, but not now. Q's gotta need to something. Okay, Q's need to be closed up here, and then I go in. Yeah. Alright, back in, and I will sit down here. I will say about Qs, not so optimistic about the long on Qs, considering the value is right up here. Yeah, maybe it's good. Oh, we have this here. How come I didn't see it? Yeah, of course not. I will get out of my lead trade as soon as possible. Now market is trying to come up. We are at open. SPY can go green from here, and if it does, the whole market shift is the trend. Um, 37 in green. All right, so it looks like it's a go, and if it's a go, then my where the heck is my stop? SPY is very indecisive. My average is at 48, and it doesn't look like he wants to go. No, mate, it's a no-go. At least not for now. We just give it a chance, all right? If not, there's not much that we can do about it. We know, me. We'll see SPY. What's the decision of SPY about this move? Yeah, so far it's a 2 up, but the open is holding. Lots of transactions are happening right now. There are some big size around 24, 25 up here at HOD. Let's see if price can go and fill them up. And this can easily go to HOD and beyond. SPY is going. The first trade on this stock was a little bit stupid because I hit the hotkey twice and it didn't catch it because of the alert. Alright, it's coming back and now I'm out. We'll see if it goes or not. Spot is not going. If it comes back up, I will go in with stop down here. Oh, at least we have a low Dina. Low of the candle. It's so go. My next entry would be exactly this same candle, but LOD of this, low of this candle. Spike went green. But Lee doesn't want to go. I go back in on Lee. My average is at 45 this time. SPY is ripping. Lee didn't go. This time, this might go. Yeah. Oh, Oracle. Oracle now is touching the level, so it would be a good short at the bottom. I don't think it's gonna go today. It's gonna go bullish. I don't know about the market magic, but this is what I'm looking at. And then you see this? I'm not gonna touch this unless it breaks low down here. I'm not gonna look at this thing. Lee is doing ridiculous thing. I'm gonna lose 1 hour on Lee, despite the move of SPY to the upside. Oh, come on, bruh. Oh, yes, ridiculous. Voilà. So Lee put me in negative almost 1 hour, and we just now I sit and just watch to see if it wants to go higher than the. It's just hugging VWAP at the moment. I was by the idea of this is the same thing, but this is barcoding now, and yeah. If it comes back in at this level, I might go in again, but watching it. see SPY is going, but this one is not. And I'm not able to go long. I didn't, because of this weekly thing, I didn't go in, but alright, let's go. We'll see now. We'll see now. Still not breaking out, but we have 55. Look at all of this: 55, 60, 70. Look at the level. Look at all of the ladder. Oh my God! Again. When it breaks HOD, I will add. SPY falling, but Lee is going. That's interesting. Alright, SPY is falling back. Let me just secure my position. I'm at. Nah, it's too. It becomes too heavy. Lee out. Damn SPY, like damn SPY. If SPY was ripping out, my position would just definitely go. This happened twice. When it comes above pre-market high, I'll go in again. I'll add again. Nothing has changed. Let me remove all of my alerts. I don't want any other alerts at the moment. Lee, just Lee. SQ. SQ. CCL. Alright, SPY is coming in this trade. We have look at the ladder up. Look at the ladder all the way up. all the way 32 what 32.20 all the way up to here. Just give it some Chinese crap, just give it some time. I hate the way that Chinese stocks act. SPY is coming back in again. If this breaks back down, I will get out. 60.49. Let's see what's happening. It is chop, that's for sure. Okay, SPY is crapping itself. We'll see. Value is right down here. We are above value. We'll see that what happens to SPY. SPY set value right up there, so it could be actually a fall down for SPY. I'll see down here what happens. I can get out of this trade. Anything above 50, or if it closes below R6. Yeah. Let's look at this SPY, and now we have this. If it cracks down here, I will get out. I'll have a safe spot down here. Alright, I'm out. Alright, we'll see if SPY has in it to go. So far 1.5 hour on Lee. So we'll pick up the direction eventually, but maybe not. So Baba, if Baba closes down here, that would be a good juicy one. Then Baba breaks down here. If or when it breaks down here, this would be a good to go situation. And honestly, I guess I will consider this. Ooh, volatile. So from $50 is pulling back now. We'll see now where it wants to go. I have no idea that why price is doing this. Maybe I stop for now if this one goes red, and probably this is gonna go into red territory. It's just gonna scare everyone off when people like me out, and then it's gonna Look at that. Oh, I made a mistake. I went in with 2R on the SPY. You'll see now. I will take one off. All right, it's not going that bad. Oh. Nah, SPY is falling and I'm in one SPY trade. It's enough for me. Alright. So it could be the fall, the collapse. So I'm minus 1 and 2.5 R, and SPY already giving me less than 1 R, half R, and it's falling. So I'm just looking forward for a drop below below pre-market low, and like step by step lower and lower. We'll see that if wherever it closes, that would be a good price to 68. Yeah, it looks a go. We have big size at 46 down here. I'm 215 SPY at the moment. Let's see if it gives or if it pulls back. It went to 180. Another push. I guess it's a go. I will not have any more buying power to add to this trade. So we'll see 250 in 20 cents. We'll see. Oh, it's strongly pulling back. 245. You see how much this trade can give us. It looks like this is a break to the downside anyhow, and yeah. Let's see if we can hold through this. Not if we can. Let's hold through this, and if it doesn't take me out right away, right now. And normally that's why I just get out of trade at, ooh, it didn't get me out with 1 cent. Oh, that's a good one. All right, so let's see now if it pulled back, took some orders from the upside. Now let's see if Bears still has the power to go to take it lower. Yeah, see how each time that they slam the price lower. So I'm just looking to see this thing through to break, and 75. It's trying to take 56 out, but it doesn't. This is the third time it's touching this price. The LOD is holding heavy. I cannot tell exactly how it's gonna go forward, but we have lots of, like, look at the ladder down. We'll see. So somebody got out of trade and it got chewed away. Look at the big size, just got chewed away. Let's see if I can close on triple digit profit. No, I don't think so. No. From minus from 300 from 200 185, I'm closing with $35 of profit. It just came 3-4 times up. I mean, if it's not a all right, so here we have value of the day. All right, it was a good trade, but it took me gave me $100 negative for no reason. Oh, once it breaks down here, I will sit above and let it ride, and after it breaks I'll add. God damn. Like, let's say this time, if this time it gives what it takes, what we want. So in next 40 cents, if it doesn't take me out right now. Out. You see this? This got damn thing. So pissed off at myself. Let's see what ExxonMobil gives. Oh, I made a mistake on Exxon Mobil. I entered without candle close being closed. I'm afraid I'm feeling bad about this. They're feeling very bad. It didn't close and I got in anyway. It's the effect of the negative balance now. Purely effect of negative balance. I can see it in myself. $100. Sorry. I want to get a positive. Yeah. And I pay the price for the mistake. Ah, shit, values ahead. I'll close this trade. Did I close on red? No. Look at that. If it gets to here and my trade is still open, I will add. Actually, I will look into it. Breaks. Ooh, mistake. Mistake after mistake after mistake after mistake. Let's see if Baba goes. I will sell off 100 of my shares. Go higher, 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 higher. Then it passes pre-market high, pre-market. When it passes the, okay, if it falls on its face, I'm not gonna be in, honestly. We don't have supporting size. Fuck. One thing I can do, if SPY pulls up, this would be a good trade. I can add now and then sit on so 7880. Let me see if I add now. Who? The fuck Lee. No, I'm not gonna add 1 hour. SPY is failing to make new highs, so my trade on Baba won't work. Let's see Baba goes for the next round, for the next move. I don't know. This made a new high. Lee made a new high and I'm pulling back. Like all of this for no reason. I mean, I would have 1 loss, but not 2. Look, I have Lee. 1, 2, 3. 3 losses on Lee. This 1, 2, 3. These 3. It would have been just 1. No idea. I need water and sugar. What trade would be with this to me? Hey, Baba is still in? SPY be falling, and we have 20 more cents on 500. Just put you $100 if you just sit and don't do anything about it. How is Q's? Alright, with 10 cent in. And out. Alright, so now we have a proper touch on Baba. So we have a proper touch, and then if it pulls back up to here, then we can go long on Baba. This is the most ridiculous, disgusting situation I have ever been in. Look at that. Just weak. Look how many times this happened today. Look at that. I'm not gonna. So it gives a good opportunity on ExxonMobil, and when it closes above, then it would be a good long. If it closes above, it looks like it's going to. I'm going in so not to have a fall-fledged price from the open, and then actually this one I don't want to go that far. So Baba, I will add to Baba later, so as the ExxonMobil, but not at the moment. I don't like that we have the price close below 104. So ExxonMobil, when it pulls back up here, then I will add above. Alright, let's see what we're getting at now. It's just a typical pullback right after the candle open, then it starts to move to the upside. And this one I wanted to go in to get this breakout since here, but I didn't. So voila, what do you know? I'm in 161 shares in. I'm adding 100%, then XOM stop 261 and move it to break even. What is my average? Is 91, 93. There you go. Baba is barely pulling up. Am I positive on SPY? Nah. SPY short burned me, but SPY long. Actually, I'm red on SPY. What the hell? So we'll see that if this we get here a long down up here, and then we can go off of this one, we go long here. We see that where we're gonna end up, but I don't know. 261 shares in. Okay, we can add. Well, let this one go higher. XOM coming in with this strong size. If it closes up there, I can add, but not at the moment. 280, 261. I put stop and down here. If it doesn't take me out for some reason until, yeah. We have Baba going. I want to add 40. No, it's 38. So we have one full size, and then add to this. I don't want this thing to fall in my face. My entry is 25. Baba 100. 92. Hopefully this pullback, my trades resist this pullback. Qs are hitting the weekly cam. Baba came back in red. I'm optimistic that this gonna go with the push from SPY, of course. So now we have a high for the candle. Once it pulls back up, to be honest, I don't like the Baba's move, right? I will get out in positive territory. If it falls below 100, this trade is gone. Q's SPY. Baba's gone. SPY dropped below. SPY dropped below, and that's not a good sign at all. I wanted to go long, and now for short, I'm not able to short this thing. But Qs are not that bad. I know what SPY want to do is just range it. But it looks like it's one of those days that it's gonna go to the upside. At the end of the day, we have a triangle, one of those pennants and stuff. I don't want to get myself into this, but it's one of those things. So if my trades survive this my trade survives this pullback, and then I'm good. XOM be going. I'll add 1/3 to XOM. Let's see. My average is 91. 30 cents, 36 cents. It's gonna be 15 cents. It's okay. 361, and I will put it on here 11. I added again 4. We are getting closer and closer to the HOD. So if this looks to be a healthy move, right? It looks to be. I don't know. It looks bad. I will see. SPY is going to the upside, so it would be good for my trade. Alright, so it looks like this trade is a winner. Need some fruit. I have one more issue. SPY is not going. Out. I prefer SPY on top of everything else. Like SPY. Once it comes up here, then it will be a good long. Look at this trash. It took me out at my average was. Now here it would be, I would like around $180. Let's get to a breakout. I'm looking at the breakout. It's not a good sign that it's instantly pulled back after I entered buy. We are right on value. Let's see where is the value of today. Right up there. No. Right up there. No, I don't think this trade will survive. Qs are already falling. Last minute. If it pushes back and closes above, if in the next 10 seconds it pushes, there you go, we have it. If not, this trade is gone, which it doesn't look like gonna push. We are stuck in under 50. Remember down here, stuck under 50 and it didn't go. The same thing here. It's either gonna go or come pull back, which is looks like it's gonna drop. Yep, I'm up. No, it doesn't work for me today. It's chop. Possible let me fall down, but Qs are already going. See this or any of these, this can happen any second. I'm just waiting for it. Baba doesn't know what the fuck to do. Oh, we got, see, I told you. Let's see if we can get this move. Not to get wicked out. It could pull back. But if it doesn't, listen to this. LOD's ahead. I'm thinking 83. Just giving some wiggle room. Price doesn't say that it's gonna drop more than this. Ah, I'll just sell it at 10. Next push will. Okay. Now, this is not one of those moves. Could be, huh? Let's this one pull up, then on the way down, I'll short it. It's another pull up. S2 at 85. This looks to be it. I mean, there you go. I'm in 97. It's a bad sign that's not going, actually. Let's see a dip down into nope. When it starts to drop from here, then I can go in. This could be one of those nasty drops. It's just have size, like huge size. We have some size on 70. Up here. Alright, this is it, 70. There you go. I'm going in. Alright, let's see now. Beyond LOD would be my target. I'll be right back. Alright, this is we'll see. This is not a good sign, but that is pulling heavy like that, but it is what it is. And eventually I think this is gonna be my last trade of the day. Hopefully it ends up in positive, because I don't want to do this more. And here is the decision making moment for this candle, for this trade. Doesn't look like it's a successful one, especially that S2 held the price. We'll see. Lee's is still on the move to the upside after the successful rally, which took me out. Like, how many times I want to go in that up here, but I was in a SPY, so I didn't. And couple of hours later, it has not been even 2 hours of trading. What's going on? How I feel? Why I feel like this? I don't know. I'm feeling like beaten. All right. So what do we have? If I get $1 from SPY, I'll be fine. Everything's gonna go crazy. This is a good trade. Yeah, this is a good trade. Let it play out. Hopefully it plays out. We don't know. And it doesn't show so much intent. The price doesn't want to. Look, it's pulling down, the volume is fading, and maybe I should call it a day. Alright, so let's see what is my 70. 70. It looks like market wants to go, but if it doesn't, man. It will be one of those days. This can easily be the difference between closing the day red and closing the day green, and we'll see. 62, and then we have size on 60, 62, 61, at 73. People are shorting at 73. If it doesn't take me out, this could be a go. 73 held, 74 actually. It's big size buy. Shorts are getting out. This can create a tsunami. As a short, I'm being squeezed. This can cluster drop, not even consistent, like cluster drop, like 90 drops to 70 to 60, and then it goes that lower, like that, from 90 to 80, and then drop down. Then we'll see based on someone got in at 75, big size, someone got in big size in. This could be a longs closing. This water. Whatever it is, I don't like that the price is pulling back. It could just sharply drop. Price resisted, held after a little bit of rested after a sharp drop like this one. Does a little bit of this, and then we'll see. All right, we got back to 1 digit drawdown. We'll see now. 78.80. Ooh, huge buy coming in. Yeah, this trade is gone. I will close if closes above 74. So people bought LOD, but the LOD pulled back, and still not done yet, but still pulling back. And this is the last price that was hold. Let me see what's the volume profile saying. Buy. This is buy lower, higher, and it still shows that this is not LOD, and shows that still can go. I'll be watching for LOD for formation of new LOD. Yeah, see, this is the cluster drop that I was talking about. Now I set into 60. It's too close to the price. So push, new 30. All right, now we go. So technically I have locked in profit. 1 minute, it's just 1.5 minutes, and price already did all of that, and I'm pulling, showing the strength to drop. In next 50 cents, I will be positive for the whole day. 50 cents is 100. Yeah. This alone can do it for us. For me. It's coming in. LOD gonna be crazy. Watching it. 26. Okay, 13 is LOD, and we have size here 25. We have size at 50, 60 up here, but I don't know. Maybe I get out and then go back in after the break of LOD. But it's a fall. I see a drop. Yeah. 14 is LOD. If we get a cluster drop below 40, then it's a go. So we are approaching again. Fear in the price, you can see. Yeah, I see it's a short day. It's gonna go even lower. We have one in ahead of us. Out. 25 instead of 100. We are at LOD, so I guess we could expect this. Oh my god, look at this motherfucker still ripping. Alright. No, I'm not gonna go long again on ExxonMobil. We have a lower high of day. The volume is no, this shows still, this can still go. I have to close today with red. It failed to reach, to make a new low of day. See, up, down, value, value, up, down, up, down. I want to go long on this one as well, but I didn't. I went on Baba instead. 67. I have to be begging. SPY, I'm doing this because the SPY is hitting pre-market yesterday's low. Out. Just, yeah, look at that. You know what, man, I can make it probably, but it's just 11. Let's take a break. Grapes. What? Oh shit. Oh shit. Accused to the upside, otherwise it's a massacre. Let me take 200 shares off. Oh no! Come on! Market. We get a breakout. There you go. I don't care anymore. 6. If we get this breakout, spice. Not gonna. Out. SPY is pushing out. It could be. We have a low with less volume. Okay, this could be it. That cannot. Holy God. Oops, sorry. This won't work. No, it doesn't look like it's it. The buy is coming in. Yeah, I'm out. Let's take a break out. Qs are moving to the upside, they look good. Qs are pushing up. Baba is coming in. We have a huge size at 105. Let's see if it gets chewed or if it ignites the move. It ignited. It ignited and moving to the upside. I'm setting to break even. Now this is an important moment. If it breaks from here 15, it's a go. It will go from here. There you go. It's a go. It looks like it's a breakout. Yeah. Yeah, 41, 15, there is a size on 15. HOD at 17. Yeah, this gonna so go. Didn't. I like that if it pulls back 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, then drops. It's around this time that it should start to fall. This is I wanted to buy this breakout here. I didn't. That's why I didn't go long down here, because of this. This is a bad sign that it doesn't go. Did you look at the size in front? So this is it. If we get to the value, like it breaks above this, I'm easily thinking we're gonna get to the open or value up here. If it breaks weave up, we open to go. So this is the this is the good example. Look at the high with lower volume. Alright, SPY is coming in, and so as Baba is moving, I don't like that it's not going, actually. Yeah, I get that. Nope. Can go from here, but also to fall from here. SPY is at the that's interesting. Yesterday and today's value is right down here. When it break up here, I can go long with the stop down here. Look at this one. Should go from here. I wanted to pull back. Let's go. Alright, so let's set to break even. Alright, we broke the 74. All right, we're into 73 now. 81 ahead of us. Dangerous. That's good. So it could be that collapse that I've been waiting for the whole day. I got $1 off of this, I'll be happy. Falling nicely, quite nicely. It looks good. It looks it's gonna push to the down even further, or it wants to stay around here. 79. I need this thing to close below anyhow. Let's see. Let me take it. Stretch my legs for a second. It doesn't look like it wants to go lower. This is the settlement price. It should go lower. I don't want it to close higher. 90s? No, it's not. A 90 is not good. Anything below 81 would be my favorite. In my favor. And this is good. This is good actually. Ooh, don't get me out, take me out and then drop, bro. This has happened a lot today. So by idea, I'm already, even if I close right now, I can close in profit, but I'm negative with the commission. Oh, no. No. Yeah, there you go. 73, if it goes 62 lower than 62, that would be a good price. 62 we have, oh, we don't have 62 here. $64, 62 came in, 63, 2 is holding. There you go. Let's go. All right, so I need just 25 cents. No, 50 cents. I need 50 cents from here. here. Actually, it's a very good my average is, this trade is amazing, because even if 40 cents, I'm gonna have like around $80-90. Hold on, 225 multiplied 40 cents is $91. So even if before LOD, I'm already good. So before we get to the point of the war between sell and buy, I will be good. So if it breaks, which it looks like it's gonna be, then I can be optimistic that it breaks even further to 72. And by the way, today I'm short of $162 to go back to the top. So this actually today not only will help me, but also will be possibly put me in a positive territory, this trade alone. So we'll see. I don't want to just rant 2 hours and then just wake me up. We'll see. It's understandable that after a huge fall, it eases down, but it's a good thing that is not pulling back, and it is just keeping it low, and it is bearish. Last minute. What a battle. I'm holding to this no matter what. If it doesn't take me out, I'm holding to this trade. And this doesn't look so good that it's pulling back heavy like this, but we'll see. Maybe it's just a temporary thing, you know, it just makes a little bit higher weekend, then it drops down. But from 49 back to 74 to round number, it's a little bit you know, it's a little bit too much to give too much room to the thing. But we'll see that what happens in a couple of minutes to see that if it falls down or if it goes. Today was, I over traded a little bit. I have lots of executions, but hopefully I was waiting for this exact move. I'm a momentum trader. I needed this thing, like this one. I couldn't go, I had to go below this, like this. But anyhow, again, there's a battle going on here. Not a big fan of it, that this thing is not going, as holding bearish above 70 something. There are no bulls to take the price down, or at least the bears are strong. Alright, I'll be out in a sec. I set the price of, this is a drop. It squeezed all of the shorts and it went above. It reached to 98. Okay, it reached to the fixed price. All right, so if this will be aggressive drop, if it drops, like you can see, let me show you another one. That it wants to drop, but first it takes everyone out and then drops. So it fills up the orders and then drops. But the thing is, it's not going any lower. So it made a new low. Now I'm in negative in commissions. Just now we just see that what happens with the trade, and it looks like there's nobody resisting anymore, and now it's time to go. Yeah, so we have a 3 here now. Heavy purchases. It made a new high. I don't want to have 3 highs and then drop. I want this one to go. It's SPY, it's not a stock. All of this, by the way, all of the other stocks that I'm watching, everything is falling down now. Qs is not going neither. This can open, go. And this alone can be a bearish candle, reach to lower prices, and then the next this could be igniting candle, and then the next ones could be just 42. There were some sizes, 42 at 38. There are some sizes, but they're above like $1 higher. But we'll see now about this now. All right, so the push is here, but it's not, and then that's what I said. It could be igniting candle, and this could be just going from here, right? So we just give some room to the thing now to show itself. Now at the moment, if I close my trade, I'll be positive for the day. But let's see what happens from here, right here, 57. Let's go, baby. I want it to crack, right? I want to crack. Did I close in positive? All right. This is still can go, but like there was lots of shit going on here. This fucking Lee, man. Okay, 1, 2, 3 times, 3 times. So this thing happened, and then SPY itself, I was negative in short SPY. Now I'm not anymore. SPY long -72. Which one was it? Yeah, this was this one. Yeah, so -30 here as well. This one was the 1, 2. Voilà. That's why I closed my trade. Like this, I said it's ignition candle, and then it goes. When there is ignition, it shouldn't stop. It should just. The idea is to. This happens. And here is the result. Look at this. I have to turn off the camera here. Let me switch to this. Start virtual. And here it is. Buenas, buenas, buenas. ¿Cómo andas tú? Mira, Spy. No. Así, es así. Yo leí, yo cuando, bueno, eso yo expliqué el otro día, que cuando para subir una loma, si viene de atrás es más rápido, ¿eh? Y empezó a llegar muy rápido, pero no hizo como que yo quería, y yo cerré con el día que te mandé. $3 positivos, 106 dólares el net es 6, y yo estoy $100 de comisión. Imagínate. No, escucha eso. El estilo mío es sin comisión. Yo hice Forex miles años, bueno, 10 años, sin comisión. Y DTTW es sin comisión. Y todo que yo traté de hacer, todos son sin comisión, ¿sabes? Exactamente, sin comisión, y hacerlo todo sin comisión. Y mi estrategia es, por ejemplo, Momentum Trader, que es el estilo de trading de impulso. Yo entro, si no mueve lo cierro, entonces voy a pagar. ¿Ves? Hoy tengo sobre SPY tengo 30 trades, ir a vuelta. Bueno, de verdad, déjame ver. NIO. No, no son 30, son 30 ejecutación. ¿Qué? Ejecuciones. Entonces, pero no son 30 trades. Entonces casi son 15. Puede ser que son 15 o 10 trades. Pero todo esos 10 trades son realmente, en realidad son 2. Déjame enseñarte aquí. Debería entrar con pending order. No entrar con market order. Entrar con pending order. Mira aquí 30. Y mira Lee. Hijo de puta Lee. No, es que, mira, ahora te enseño aquí. Y ese SPY no es SPY 150, no. Ese SPY es 259, pero tenía un menos 70, aquí ves. Menos 30 y otro es menos 30 y aquí menos 70. Entonces 347 y al final se cerró con 277. Esto es que yo quiero. Esto es que yo estoy buscando, pero no todo el tiempo, todo el día sale y debería hacer mucho de esos. ¿Dónde fue? Yo debería hacer mucho de ellos para llegar a eso. Mira, aquí por ejemplo, aquí yo hice un long, aquí yo hice perdón, un short, me sacó, se cayó. Aquí entré, agregué por registración, aquí salió. Aquí entré, pero con el registro así. Aquí salí, bajó. Entré, subió de nuevo una registración. Cuando se rompió por segunda vez, salí y entré y salí. Entré. Aquí, cuando volvió y salí. Entré, salí con grandón negativo. Y esto es todo eso. Y esto que ves, yo estaba esperando que pasa esto. Esto, y estaba pero no, ¿qué hizo? Fue hacia arriba, se cayó. Y cuando quería entrar, imagínate, salió tan rápido, por eso que entré con todo buying power que tenía. Aquí, cuando quería entrar al 54, y tú ves el 21 me entró. Slippage como 30 centavos. Yo lo llamo cluster drop. ¿Sabes qué es cluster? Cluster es pedazos. Por ejemplo, pedazos grandes. Por ejemplo, si espejo rompe, va a ser pedazos y cluster. Un pedazo grande que tú ves es cluster. Pero bueno, se cayó así y yo de verdad yo salí como que, mírame, ese no va a caer. Aquí salí, pero agregué aquí con grande 50 y quería entrar con toda aquí. Entonces, bueno, casi 40 centavos late, tarde, y al final salí aquí como tan positivo. Pero bueno, eso todo salí en eso, yo hice en Qs también, pero mire, por eso que yo no me da a volver, porque algunas veces los puntos que yo entro son puntos de apex. Si no rompe, yo salgo. Yo no dejo que va a joderme. Y XOM yo hice varias veces hoy. Y aquí ves, mire, XOM yo hice uno, me sacó y yo ignoré y me jodió. Mira. Y esta vez yo no dejé. Entré, agregué, mire eso. Me sacó, pero subió. Cuando salí estaba casi 460 stocks. Entonces entre eso y eso es $50 más. No, 65 dólares más. Pero no importa, uno más negativo y ya. Mira, yo espero para SPY, esperé y salí así. ¿Ve? 106. Es que no es overtrading. Algunos días el día es fácil, algunos días el día es un poquito más difícil. Hoy era un día difícil. Yo estoy cansado ahora. Ahora estoy cansadísimo. Sí. Mm. Sí, esto. Ajá. Sí. Entonces, bueno, hoy Zoom negativo. Madre puta. Yo estaba correcto, pero con todo, pero en final ese que me sacó negativo, ese me jodió. Pero bueno, lo que está. Y este short, ¿cuál short? Hay un short que me sacó. Bueno, no importa, no voy a hacer más detalle. Pero bueno, yo estoy feliz como que yo me salvé el culo. Y... Teres, Starbucks, vamos a un alitos de pollo. ¿Cómo tú hiciste? Dime tú. Comparte tu pantalla, yo pare. Ujú, ujú. Sí, lo veo. Ajá. Ajá, Lee. Mira, no. El mío, 5 minutes range breaker, es así. El tuyo tú puedes ser así. No importa que quien te diga qué cosa. Tú estás entrando muy bueno porque tú sabes dónde es el low. Porque cuando rechazas sabes dónde es el low. Entra con ese el low y sube para... Ese es bueno. Bueno, yo lo hago mismo también, pero cuando el candle, el primer candle está cerrada. La diferencia es en eso. Mm, 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 mm. Sí, esto. Esto. Ajá. Ford lo hiciste. Mm. Bien. Mire, tú hiciste mucho menos que yo. Hiciste mucho más que yo. No me, es que, ¿sabes? Yo en la mañana cuando nos hablamos, yo estaba 44 plus, ¿ok? Estaba $44 y mi R era 20. Entonces yo estaba 2 R. Y después un poquito menos por las comisiones que debería pagar. ¿Y qué hice? Yo esperé que este pasa, pero entré de nuevo. Pero ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Con Lee me jodió. Hice uno menos que 29, entonces yo estaba casi 4, 5, como ahora mismo, yo estaba casi $5 positivo y no, estaba $14 positivo. Yo estaba mirando, mira, yo voy a entrar, se pasa. Y el próximo, menos que 84. Hola, y voilà, se empezó. Pero no entré de nuevo, Lee, no entré de nuevo. Y entré al NIO, yo entré al NIO. Y NIO entré, en NIO, yo entré aquí mismo. Mire, cuando el primer cierre, ok, cuando el primero cierre es, ajá, yo entré. Porque en 1684, 83 es pre-market high, el verde que tú tienes. Entré aquí, y subió, pero cerré totalmente arriba. Totalmente en primer candle yo cerré todo el volumen. ¿Sabes por qué? Algo pasó que lo cerré. Y cuando se volvió de nuevo para arriba, no entré de nuevo. Porque no me gustó que como SPY estaba cayendo. Yo recuerdo, era mira, sabes, te digo con mi experiencia. no importa qué SPY hace, si tu stock está haciendo el suyo. ¿Okay? Si está haciendo el suyo y SPY no se cumple, no se importa. Pero cuando entras, debe tener atención que SPY tenga mismo movimiento que el tuyo. Porque si se cae SPY, va a joder tu trade. No se importa cómo va a reducir, ¿cómo se llama? Con una forma de reducir tu beneficio o tener un poquito de resistencia. Porque todo el mundo como tú ven que SPY está cayendo. ¿Ok? Pero hoy mismo Neo no quería cumplir con SPY, como Baba tampoco. Yo estaba en Baba también. Olvidé enseñarte. Déjame mandarte de Baba. CCL quería entrar, pero no entré y soy enojado como que yo entré. Porque en la mañana mi esposa estaba aquí conversando con el banco y casi no ponerme mi cabeza hasta 9:20. Y primer análisis que hice 9:25. Y ese es el resultado. Exactamente. Pero no podía entrar con CCL. Honestamente no podía, yo no podía y no hubiera entrado como Open Range Breakout porque el primer cierre bullish. Pero después cuando ese engulfing tú ves, perdón, ese shooting star que ves, el próximo. Ajá, esa es mi entrada. Para LOD. Mira cómo se cayó. Pero bueno, ya he hecho y ahora que SPY todavía está jodiendo, está moviendo, no hace nada. No tengo ganas de hacer nada ahora. Cansado. Y me falta, ¿qué? Café. No, yo debería. Espera, déjame ponérselo. Déjame enseñarte algo aquí. Mire, ayer, para nuestro aniversario, abajo tú ves la pintura abajo. Sí, un cuadro. No, ese es un regalo. No puedo ver bien, pero entonces no puedo hacer un zoom bien. No sé por qué no hace, pero bien. Tú ves, es un cuadro. Déjame llevárselo. Sí, el estilo me encanta. Sí, es para nuestro aniversario. Sí. Primero. Ajá. Gracias. Pero bueno. Sí, entonces hoy era, bueno, en mi cabeza ya está, mírame. Hoy voy a incrementar mi AR hoy y voy a poner con 100 y voy a hacerme muy bien y llegaré a plus que 100,000. Y tú sabes, llega menos que 245. Pero ya, dos AR mínimo, en un punto, especialmente en tres trades atrás tres trades atrás en SPY, cuando se cayó fuertemente, yo estaba diciendo que mire, si cualquier que pasa, yo lo cierro. Si negativo, si positivo, yo me paro. Pero después cuando yo cerré menos 40, yo estaba menos que 250. Después llegó menos 50 y estaba aquí, ok, seguimos. Después menos 240 en 3 trades. Es que joder. Pero bueno, lo que pasó, pasó. Y lo que fue. Y mira, con la salida que yo tenía es la salida, la LOD. Y ahora mismo hizo un otro LOD, pero menos volumen. SPY es choppy hoy. Y va a coger un lado, irse a un lado, pero, ¿sabes? No, bullish, yo estaba bullish. Pero, sí. Mire cómo se cae. Pero bueno, yo no voy a tocárselo. Yo no voy a tocarse. Yo quería vender un short sell XOM menos que 97.4 y stop 900.96. Entonces, quería hacer, pero en final no. En final no lo toqué con situación que hay, porque el comisión va a ponerme en negativo. Entonces no quiere ser. Ahora de verdad soy cansado. Estoy muy cansado. Muy cansado. Mira el candle de 10.05 a candle de 10 en la mañana de 10.05 y el candle en XOM y 11. Recuerda que te expliqué que cuando para reconocer y detectar el LOD, regreso del día, hoy empezó al 11 y el precio, y si conectas 9.40 a 9.40 a 10.40 de abajo se pasa una línea así. Y cuando se cae eso, es bearish. Todo es bearish. Es una estrategia, por ejemplo, que nunca tú necesitas apertura del día. Es muy tranquilo, demasiado tranquilo. Y solamente tú entras cuando esta línea rompa, de arriba o por abajo. Y necesita higher high o lower low. Y después cuando rompe por contrario, tú entras. Es muy sencillo, muy fácil. Una estrategia muy fácil. Por ejemplo, hoy, mira a Lee. Conecta 9.35 a 10.05. Arriba de esos. Cuando se rompe ese punto de entrada. Pero ¿qué pasó? Yo tenía R6 frente a mí. Y además yo estaba en SPY. Entonces por eso no entré. Pero eso es. Pero. Es así. Hoy estoy un poquito mejor. ¿Sabes? No era enfermedad. Ayer yo en la mañana tomé medicamento. Y no, ese es no medicamento. Yo tomé un pastilla que se burbuja, que se hace, ¿cómo se llama? Sí, sí, de vitamina C. Y me hizo muy mal, como que como que mi cuerpo se falló. Totalmente se falló, no podía hacer nada. Y en la tarde, a las 7 en clase de ayer, en la tarde, casi durante clase yo tomé también. En menos que 15 minutos pasó mismo que la mañana. Esto, no, eso es calcio y vitamina C. Cuando tú tomas demasiado calcio, esto pasa. Mm. Dos veces. No, a nosotros pasó dos veces. Mm. Pero bueno, pasó y estoy. Y ahora mismo, bueno, mejorando, pero estaba tosando demasiado que levanté, empecé a caminar y tomar pastilla antialérgica porque es que me está matando con alérgica y todo. Pero bueno, estoy bien, vivo. Sí, hay mucho polvo y además el cambio del tiempo y enfermedad que tengo no me da gracia de ese tiempo. Ujú. Pero bueno, así. Entonces un día bueno. ¿Cuántas horas hiciste? Mm, mm, ujú, ujú, ujú. Ya, te entiendo. Pero es así. Mira, el mercado, con este mercado que estamos, es de verdad poner, mantener tu cabeza arriba de agua y que no tragar. Te ahogas, que no te ahogas, eso es lo más importante con ese mercado que tenemos. Ah, sí, como Mike ahora mismo estaba diciendo que ahora no estamos en el mismo mercado que 3 meses atrás, ¿sabe? Sí. Ayer mismo, cuando yo estoy enojado de ayer, porque ayer no podía hacerlo, operar, y ayer yo fácilmente podía sacar 7 horas, fácilmente 7 horas, sin ningún compromiso, pero especialmente Neo, que era el bonito, lo más bonito del día, y XOM, los dos. Esos dos me daba 7 horas, que es 7 horas con $100, es 700 dólares. Pero bueno, estamos. ¿Eh? No sé, eso era un error. Sí, tío, así. Entonces ya, yo voy a yo voy a tomar un break y después empezar a journaling. Oh, fuck. Sí, sin café la vida no tiene ningún sentimiento. De verdad. De verdad. Bueno, ¿tú vas? Ajá. ¿De verdad? Pero tú viajas todo el día a Ciudad de México. Bueno, aquí, coche es español, carro aquí que yo sé, pero bueno, aquí como se dicen en México. Aquí dicen carro. Coche es español, ¿sabes? De castellano, de España. Ujú. Ok. Pero, ¿cuándo? Pero una cosa, bueno, tú si quieres puedes explicar, si quieres puedes no explicar, pero ¿Por qué no cojas 3 días para irse allá y tú quedas allá sin problema y haces trading de allá? Otra cosa, ¿tú estás casado o...? Juntado. Bien, bueno, no importa. Juntado, entonces, ¿vives con tu pareja? ¡Eh! Nosotros no hicimos la fiesta tampoco. Solamente el proceso de... Sí, escribir y todo. El proceso para más tarde. Lo que quería decirte... eh, entonces, 4 perros, pero ¿qué hace? ¿Debería ir a buscar casa o qué? Ajá.